act up, you can get serious. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, give a fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Fuck got a nigga. Fuck got a nigga. Fuck got a.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I will be doing a next hair install, and the hair that I will be using today is from LUFFY'S Beauty. I've worked with them before, so this is not the first time they've sent me hair, but this is my first time working with Yaki straight texture. And you know, the Yaki straight texture, I've always wanted to work with this type of texture, just because it's like natural hair when it's just straightened, you know. So I've always wanted to just work with it to see how, you know, like how it looks, like how it is working with it. They reached out to me and they're just like, we want to send you some Yaki straight wig. I was just like, yes sis, yes. So they did send me this in a, I think it's 12-inch, I'm not sure. Okay, so they said they were sending me an 18-inch, but it doesn't look like 18-inch to me. I think it's more like a 12-inch. I don't know, it looks more like a 12-inch. So they sent me, I am going to assume, just like, you know, right off the bat, that it's a 12-inch, because it does not look like 18-inch. like, it's not 18 inches. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and install this hair and, like, you know, start everything. So far. Okay, so I feel like every time I install my hair, I kind of do the same process over and over, so I won't be talking much. I think I'm just going to install here, but so far this is what it's looking like. I'm just going to go ahead and install it. So far this is how the hair is looking. Honestly, what lace, I don't know if I should cut it. I low-key want to cut it like to here so it could stop like right on my shoulders, but I'm not sure. Hold on, let me see, because I might just cut it still. Yeah, I think I might cut it to here, like to here. I'm so hot. I'm like literally sweating right now. I don't know if I could get two of the baby hairs out and whatever. Maybe I can. This is the final look. I recorded this part in the night because I had to rush out to go. I had somewhere to go, so I had to rush out. So this is why I'm just recording this, and the lighting is kind of different just because it's night now. It's literally 10:11 in the night, and I recorded this video. Well, I installed this here around like 3 o'clock today in the evening, and now it's like 10. So that's why the lighting is different. But anyways, I just came back on camera to show you guys like how the finishing product look, how it looks, I should say. And yeah, I love this hair. It feels like it's my natural hair, and I just relaxed it. It's not like, you know, normally the regular bundles have like that shiny look. Like this doesn't have the shiny look, so that's why it looks even more natural. Like I'm in love. Like I am. But once again, thank you LUFFY'S Beauty for sending me this wig. I absolutely love it. And again, they sent me a 13x6 frontal Yaki bob wig in 12 inches, and this is how far it goes back, like literally. Yeah, so they sent me a 13x6 Yaki bob wig in the inches 12, and I just cut it a little shorter, so I think this is now like an 8-inch or whatnot. But yeah, I absolutely love this hair. I can't even say it no more. I absolutely love this hair. But yeah, the links for the hair will be in the description box, so don't worry, I got you guys. Also, I feel like I'm supposed to say you guys something, but I forgot. No, maybe the hair is just getting to my head. But yeah, this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Obviously, if you guys want to see more hair tutorials like this one, let me know, and I'll definitely keep pushing out more. Thank you guys for like 21k views on my passion twist hairstyle. Like, you guys love that hairstyle. Thank you guys. What else? Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Get your friend to subscribe, like, and share this. I mean, you're already here watching this video, so It ain't gonna kill you. Just click that like button. It's right there. It's right there. But yeah, thank you guys, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Looking at a lame and he famous. Clout chasing all different angles. Little nigga don't know it get dangerous. Ooh, 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 ooh.